Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, March 27th, the 27th, 2021. Yes, today it's actually Sunday and we don't have any newspaper on Sunday. So I will continue with the additional of yesterday's newspaper, and the uh, second puzzle is a Sudoku with 2 stars, and it will be number 2544. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I have already counted 26 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. In the last row, we see here 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. Well, another 3 there in this column, so no 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then. Uh, Okay, need to wait. How about the 1 in this last row? 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 in this column. 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 6, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. 2 numbers left in this first column for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9, we see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then. How about then yeah, we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 1. We have a 4 and a 1 in this big square, so no 4 and a 1 in these two boxes. The 4 and the 1 goes in those two boxes. 4 and a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 7 and 5. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the No. We are missing the 7 here. Okay, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And now I can count, yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Lucky 7, yes, alright. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 number left in this third column for the number 5. Alright. So now we have 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6. In these 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me think. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 5 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. And look, we have a 5 and 8 here in this column. So no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. How about those 2 boxes in this column for the numbers 1 and 5 are missing. 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, we see a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. How about the 9 in this column? 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Then 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Then. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. And should be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. All right, 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third row. This number should be the 4. All right, the 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Oh, wait. Now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left. The last 2 numbers. Final numbers for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. How could that be? Faster than the previous Sudoku, and I like this one. I'm very pleased with the time. Yeah. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last 2 puzzles. A binary puzzle and a tectonic puzzle. See you later. Bye-bye for now.